Thanks, Wellness Wednesday. This one's for Phil. Thank you for your advice, Phil. Phil was saying how he likes using a split keyboard. Well, I do too sometimes. If you look at me here, I'm quite a broad person, I think it's fair to say. And if I'm typing on a narrow keyboard, look what's happening to my wrists here, which can cause pain and discomfort over time. In fact, it makes me really angry. So angry, I grab my keyboard and I rip it in half. Thankfully, you can still type on this one, which is great. So notice here, when you've got a split keyboard, how it keeps a much more neutral angle to your wrists, which is much nicer for typing. So you might want to consider those if you're in that kind of situation.